Hello everyone, welcome to the HardReset channel, and today I'm going to show you how to change the noise cancelling modes on the QCY Buds ANC wireless earbuds. So the first thing that we're going to do is open up the QCY app and then make sure that the earbuds are taken out of the case in order to connect to the app, and also make sure that you have already paired the earbuds to your app. After that, we're going to go to device, then on the top we're going to select the sound tab, and here we have noise cancelling mode. So you have normal, which is no noise cancelling mode, transparency, which lets through all of the noise and enhances it so you don't have to take out your earbuds, and noise cancelling, which cancels out the noise. And you also have some changes that you can adjust on the noise cancelling mode. So you can select any of these options, or you can just select adaptive, which will select any of these options automatically. So that's about it. Thank you for watching. I hope this video helps you, and make sure to like and subscribe.